Do you need quick cash, maybe to pay a bill or to buy something that you want or to finance a little holiday? So in this video I will show you 5 ways plus one bonus on how you can make $200 exactly today. After this video you know exactly how to go out in the marketplace and just earn $200. So make sure to watch the video until the end. The first thing that I want to do before starting the video is that this is not scalable. This is not something that maybe you can do every day of your life as your main source of income, and it's not scalable, so you cannot very increase the revenue from this way to earn money. But if you are young or you're searching to earn some good money today or maybe some days of the week, you can do it. You can add some extra cash to your income doing these 5 things that I have to share with you. And remember to stay tuned until the end, because I will give you at least one bonus. So the first one is car wash. Depends on your local area, but for example here there are a lot of self-services car washes, and people should spend their time to wash the car. But you can split this in 2 ways. First one, you can go door to door and ask people if they need to clean their car, and that you can do the service for maybe 10, 20, 50, even $70. You can choose the price, depends on what in your local area people earn. But you can maybe say for average you can make $50 for every car that you clean inside and outside, and you just need 4 cars to make $200. So this is the first way. Then you can choose to wash the car maybe around the corner of the street. You can set a very good giant piece of paper with the words that says maybe car wash for just $20. So you will have more people that just wanna buy the service. Or maybe when they are in the traffic, people stay 20 minutes in the traffic and they give you the car, and you can clean the car for just earning a little bit of money. Maybe you cannot do this every day because it will be not the most intelligent way to earn money, but if you need some quick cash, this will be a really good idea, especially if you're young. Maybe you don't have a job and you just want to make some good money to maybe invest in something or just buy something that you want. The next point is just simply go on Craigslist, or maybe there is another site in your local area. For example, in my area there is another site, but that it do the same thing. Pretty much people post the things that they need, and one of the main thing that I can see pretty much every month is that people, when they move from the old apartment to the new house, for example, they need some people that help them to move all the things that they have in their house. So you can help people to move out from one place to another, and they will pay you money, maybe $50 to $100 a day. You can help 2 people in a day, or you can simply split one day $100 and the other day $100. So in 2 days you can make very quickly amount of money without a lot of effort. You just need to help them to move the bed, the sofa, and maybe some chairs around the home. And this is a really good way on how you can earn this money. The next point is the most simple, but maybe it's a little bit difficult, and it doesn't go just for today, but you can earn this money during the week. And this is simply sell something that you don't need and you have in your house. For example, I have my TV, I watch my TV about once a month, not more, and if I want, I can sell it to $300 or $200 without a problem today. Maybe people will not contact me today, but in the next 2 or 3 days I will get some answer about my selling. So just look around your room, your house. If you have something that it's pretty much you don't use after from a year, my advice to you is to sell it, and you can make quick money just selling the stuff that you don't use. You cannot do this for a long period of time, but if you really need quick cash, maybe for a bill for your car or for something that you need really urgency, it's a good way. The next point is go door to door. Just go in your neighborhood, depends on where you live, and just ask them if you can do something for them. You can have a list maybe of service that you are able. You can cut the grass or clean the house, or you can do some different stuff. And just you go in front of them, you knock at the door and you say, "Hi, my name is Nicola. Now I am doing some little works maybe for earn money for this summer to go on holiday with my friends, and I want to ask you if you need something. I have this list of services, and if you need something, I can do it for maybe $20 or $30. And then you can go to maybe 10 houses, and you will find a pretty good amount of people, especially if they already know you. Maybe you already know some people around your neighborhood, so it's very easy to go to them and ask them if they need some type of service. The next point is this really completely depends on where you live, but for example here in Switzerland on the winter it comes a lot of snow, and people should clean their house and the street from the snow. So maybe if you can go and watch the weather some days before, and if you can see that maybe tomorrow it will snow, you simply go around your neighborhood and you say, tomorrow it will snow, and I can give you this offer that you pay me $30 and I will keep your floor clean, so you can go in and out with your car without thinking about the snow. And trust me, people will absolutely buy this service. Also because they don't have time, maybe in the morning they are really stressed if they have to snow, or maybe they are a little bit old and they don't have the energy and the effort to put here and clean from the snow. So this is a really good way. Now I have the last point, the bonus one, and this is just go in a little local shop where you can see that there is maybe just the business owner, or maybe just 2 people that work in that shop, really small, and you just create them a little offer of selling. You just go in front of them and tell, hi, my name is Nicola. Now I am searching some ways to earn some money for buy something, or just tell them the real reason why you want the money. And then you tell them, okay, I can work here for a day. Everything that I sell, I get a commission. And maybe if you sell $100 pair of shoes, you can get $10 or $20. So then you can do the math and know exactly the numbers that you should do. But doing this as a little salesperson, as an affiliate, every product that you sell, you will earn a commission. And very probably the person on the shop will say yes, because they don't see a lot of people that from zero go to them and say that they will sell their stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So now you know exactly what you do. Go out and take your freaking $200 so you can do whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, like this video, and nothing to say, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.